Imagine, it's the 4th of February, 2024, and AI headlines are dominating the news sphere. It's nearly 6 in the evening, and the investment world is at the cusp of an AI gold rush. Welcome, my friends, to the ultimate one-stop shop where your portfolio can transform from dormant to dynamite by tapping into the top AI stocks set to explode. If you have an appetite for cutting-edge investments and staying ahead in the fast-paced world of AI and tech, you've struck the motherlode. Lean in, listen up, because we're about to embark on a journey that could turbocharge your investments into tomorrow's winners. What exactly is AI? In a nutshell, it's a blend of algorithms and machine learning, helping computers to act with a semblance of human intelligence. But it's more than just cool tech. AI is reshaping industries left and right, from manufacturing to medicine, and creating seismic shifts in how businesses operate. Investors are sitting up and taking notice because where there's innovation, there's growth and potential profits. And recent breakthroughs? We're talking about AI that can converse, create art, and solve problems in ways that were science fiction a decade ago. This rapid growth trajectory is exactly why we're zeroing in on AI stocks today. Now, you're probably wondering how we picked these AI thoroughbreds from the pack. It wasn't just throwing darts at a board, folks. We delved deep, looking at factors like market dominance, innovation, and the sizzle of their growth potential. It's the kind of savvy analysis that unpacks expert insights and sifts through the clutter of market trends, giving us a glimpse into which companies are weaving AI into the fabric of our future. Without further ado, let's get down to the business at hand, revealing the creme de la creme of AI stocks that could turbocharge your portfolio. Topping the list is a company that's taking AI software to stratospheric levels. This isn't just any software firm. It's one whose AI platforms are becoming the gold standard across industries. With jaw-dropping earnings and a market position that rivals are eyeing enviously, their technological prowess isn't just impressive, it's game-changing. Their AI's predictive capabilities? Slam dunk for sectors craving efficiency and innovation. Next up is a titan in the realm of machine learning. This company has carved out a reputation as the go-to for businesses seeking intelligent systems that learn and evolve. Their stock reflects a trajectory as sharp as the AI they produce, making it a glittering target for 2024's savvy investor. With their relentless push at the boundaries of what machine learning can achieve, these guys are lighting the way forward. When it comes to robotics, our next contender is punching well above its weight. This company is scripting the future with robots that are smarter, more autonomous, and ready to redefine efficiency. We're not just talking factory floors, we're talking precision in tasks that were once human domain. Already boasting heavyweight industry partnerships, their stock offers a front row seat to the robotic revolution. Drowning in data? Not this big data innovator. They've mastered the Herculean task of not just collecting massive data sets, but also extracting pearls of actionable insight with AI. Their approach to analytics spells out immense power, turning data into dollars and making their stock a beacon for investors hunting for the next big thing. Take a gander at a company that's not just riding the healthcare wave, they're the ones creating it. With AI-infused solutions ranging from diagnostics to patient care, their breakthroughs are reshaping medicine as we know it. Boasting a surging demand for their products, this stock isn't just healthy, it's potentially a wealth panacea in an industry craving innovation. At the heart of all AI lies the chip, and our next stock is from the sorcerers who are redefining what those chips can do. Leading the pack in AI chip technology, they hold a competitive advantage that's the envy of tech giants. With scalability as their cornerstone, those investing in this company's stock are placing their bets on a firm that's supplying the very brainpower of AI's future.